Give it up for the wonderful Khurana brothers, ladies and gentlemen, Ayushman and Apar Shakti. That was amazing, by the way. Great video to
Thank you so
start
much.
with. And मैं जानती हूँ कि आपके साथ-साथ I want to invite your crew as well. So could I please have your sexy chorni, if I may call you that, darling. Come on, join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Aisha Sharma. Give her a big hand. Hi, babe. Come, you can stand right here. And of course, could I please call upon Apar Shakti to also join us? Thank you, Apar. All right, Dada, can I please request you also to join us? Ladies and gentlemen,
Pradeep Sarkar, the
please
man
put your
behind this
hands
video.
together. And we give you Team Ikvari, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, you can take a couple of pictures and then we start our Q&A. But I have a couple of questions to start this session with. Aisha, a question for you now. बहुत बड़े-बड़े launches जो हैं हुए हैं T-Series के music videos के साथ, all right? And you've debuted with a music video. How does that make you feel?
Absolutely ecstatic to be debuting with a video that's been done by T-Series. And I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity because I've been directed by the legendary Pradeep Da. And I don't think it gets better than that. The song sung beautifully by Ayushman. I think I couldn't have asked for anything more. All the boxes have been ticked. That's all I can say.
And you look great. Congratulations on a
Thank
great
you.
debut.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to hand over the mic to Ayushman. Hi, Ayushman. Thank you so much. Quick question, simple question. You can answer this like nobody. Ashiki, okay, Bhushan ji ki Ashiki. यहाँ पर कैसे छिड़ी आपने?
In fact, this is the first time I'm rehashing a song. This is the first time I'm working on a remixed kind of
Yeah.
a song.
Yeah.
And that's kind of new for me because normally my songs are not very commercial. I believe that because Mitti Di Khushboo is slightly off-center. Even Yahi Hu Main was slightly off-center. But this is, I think this is the first commercial song I've sung. That's what I think. And I think, yeah, Ashiki just adds more zing to it because no, it comes as, it doesn't, it's not expected to come, you know, after the mukhra of the songs.
Yeah.
Suddenly the antara of Ashiki comes. So I think which is quite a surprise. And apart from that, it's been directed by legendary Pradeep Sarkar. And this is not the first time he's directing a music video. पहले 90s में जब indie music का दौर था, Euphoria के सारे गाने धूम पिचक धूम मायरी इन्होंने direct किए हैं. I think he started the trend. And I think it was a very organic a collaboration with T-Series and when the singles are again coming back because of T-Series. So yeah.
फीचर बनाने का इच्छा ना ऑलवेज रहता है तो गाने से शुरू किया था.
All right, thank you so much, Ayushman. Very well said.
I think of course that's a legendary pose which started in the 90s. जब आशिकी रिलीज हुई थी पहली आशिकी, उसका रिलेशन उससे है क्योंकि गाना उस फिल्म का है, पहली आशिकी का है. और आई थिंक एक कनेक्ट पहले से बना हुआ है आशिकी का. और टी सीरीज आई थिंक तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था ये ट्रेंड फिल्मों में आने का एंड उनका कोलैबोरेशन भट्ट साहब के साथ था एंड दिस वाज दैट फिल्म जहाँ पर गाने पहले बने थे उसके बाद फिल्म डिसाइड की गई थी. सो आई थिंक म्यूजिक इज द एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग रिहैश ऑफ अ सॉन्ग एज आई सेड. और ऑफ कोर्स वो उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए वो पोज बहुत ज़रूरी था.
आयुष्मान
Absolutely wonderful. इससे better experience हो नहीं सकता था. I've been directed by Pradeep Da in my first video, and Ayushman songs beautifully, and I couldn't have asked for more. Absolutely wonderful experience.
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि प्रदीदा के सेट पे सब बंगाली में बात करते हैं और जब मैं वहाँ पे आया वो दे वर सरप्राइज टू नो कि मैं बंगाली समझ सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी प्यारी बिंदु में बंगाली प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक बहुत ही अमेजिंग कनेक्शन है बंगालीज के साथ मेरा. और आजकल मैं रविंद्र संगीत काफ़ी सुन रहा हूँ एंड आई लव बंगाली कल्चर. And I think entire Bengal is full of art, literature, and music, which is amazing. Also food. So I think I'm in love with Calcutta and Bengal, and Bengalis, of course. Dada. यार दादा एक्चुअली वो सरप्राइज भी. मैं 22 साल चंडीगढ़ में रहा हूँ. मैं पंजाबी एक्सेंट है मेरा हिंदी में. दम लगा के हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश की थी मैंने, खड़ी बोली, लेकिन इसमें बंगाली बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ही वाज दादा मैं ठीक बोल रहा था वैसे?
अच्छा बोल रहे, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे.
He was like
थोड़ा हो जाए.
थोड़ा इतना नहीं बोल सकता. बंगाली गाना আমারও পরানো যা চায় তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরানো যা চায়. Yeah, it's a Ramendra Sangeet. Any Bengalis in the house? No Bengalis.
Whatever my heart wants, it is you.
Yeah, that's the meaning of the song. Yeah.
और 90s का सॉन्ग काफ़ी हद तक यूज़ किया है इसमें. आपने ये जो वर्ड है एक बारी कॉलेज लाइफ में कभी यूज़ किया है? एक बारी हाँ कह दे किसी के ऊपर आपने
देखो मैं अपनी बीवी के अलावा किसी का नाम ले नहीं सकता यहाँ पे, तो एक क्वेश्चन का पॉइंट बनता नहीं है. अगर कोई और हो भी तो मैं बता नहीं सकता, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? इट वाज माय वाइफ ताहिरा ऑफ कोर्स. दिस सिंगर I think it was a year back when I wanted to do a rehash of a T-Series song, especially Ashiki. And though I think it was my genre of music was very different, but I think this one, it was very organic flow with Ikbari and when the Antara comes for Ashiki. So I think that's why I chose this particular song, and it's one of my favorite songs from Ashiki album. Yeah, of course. अरे ये कैसा सवाल है? ये गाना, ये आशिकी वाला गाना तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है क्या? I love this song, yeah. And of course, the original song is on tabla and dholak and peti. Isliye, of course, this is a different take on it. So that's why.
Aisha, how comfortable were you doing that last scene?
Oh, actually, everything on camera is not what it seems. It was the easiest shot of it. I was in a bodysuit, absolutely comfortable, and I think I was in the hands of Dada. It was the easiest shot of the video, I think, Dada.
Hands of Dada, मतलब मैं था नहीं वीडियो में. वो
Absolutely.
दादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
Yeah, everything. I would just say everything is not what it seems. Yeah.
See,
very
I'm not
comfortable.
25. That's the problem.
Intimidated by Ayushmann?
Ayushmann, I threw him out at that point.
No, not really. No.
Not really.
Okay. No, I wasn't. I was in the hands of Dada, so I was quite happy. It was an easy shot of the video.
Those were Dada's hands, not mine.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
पोस्ट में मेरे हाथ डाल दिए थे. जैकेट के अंदर ज़्यादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again. I want to say this before we go. I think that this video begs for a film. All right? And I do hope that happens because seriously, the chemistry between the two of you and also the music, it just looks like there is an untold tale behind all of this. And I wish Ikbari all the best once again. Thank you so much for giving us your time and the music.
Thank
and
you,
of
Rohini.
course, over to you guys. Thank you. We're done with our Q&A. We'll do a couple of pictures and we'll call it a day. Thank you.